really, it's a long journey. I think it's in my genes. I just kept on moving, doing music. Like, you know, music is my passion. I don't do it for the money. I don't do it for the fame. I just keep on doing what I want to do. I was with the hip hop scene. I do a lot of hip hop albums. I did a lot of hip hop gigs and DJing. Time changed, and right now I think it's the futuristic age. Like long time ago, we used to talk about the future, and the future is now. This is now. I guess I just kept on moving, and from back then to now, I'm still here, just doing what I do, what I love to do. We used to talk about the future of music. What's with hip hop? What's with dance music? What's gonna happen with the music? I mean, you know, a lot of things change. Like, wala nang physical CD, now it's all digital. And I feel so blessed. I'm still here and doing this kind of music. We used to use raw sound beats. You know, hip hop is all about rawness. It's all about raw music, like raw drums, raw bass. Everything is raw. Now it changed. Like, we use electronic patches, like electronic sounds. Now it's different. You have all the CD DJs, you have the controllers. Madami, there's a lot of new breeds of DJs nowadays. Iba, dati kasi pag bedroom DJ ka, you don't want to go out. Now all the bedroom DJs wants to go out kasi it's easier. They have a controller, they press sync, just press tube, sasabayan. It will sync automatically. Somehow, the artistry is not there anymore. Those are the changes, like, that we have to accept. I just go with the flow. I mean, I'm a producer, I'm a DJ. You have to play what the people want, right? Same thing with music. The progress of from hip-hop to pop and then doing EDM. I think it's all the same thing. This is dance music. They just call it hip-hop. They just call it EDM. They just call it new wave. They call it ska. But this is dance music. Nagpapalit lang. Like before, let's say the dance music is Elvis Presley. People dance to it. People dance to the Beatles. Diba? This one now is the electronic dance. People just dance to it because it's catchy. It's the evolution of dance music. When it's written, it will be done. We cannot stop it from happening. We just have to accept changes. I made it as an inspiration. I battled in London, 64 countries, and I was number 4. That's nice. I faced the world. It's an inspiration. Parang, all right, so let me go back there. Yes, it helped me. And I wouldn't be here if I didn't win that. There's no such thing as genre anymore. What's nice is this dance music scene just grabbed every piece of the genre. They got the jazz, they got alternative, they got Red Hot Chili Pepper, then mash it up with something. Wala nang genre. It's nice. It's one big music people enjoying it. Parang you go, I could be a rock fan and just go to an EDM festival party and enjoy it. Right now, Afrojack is a big name sa EDM. He has an album out, collaboration with Snoop Dogg. Imagine Snoop Dogg on an Afrojack album. I think they're not late. They just don't want to accept changes. Who discovered Madonna? Jellybean Benitez. He's a DJ from New York. Hindi mo makikita yung Jellybean. It goes like Madonna, remixed by Jellybean Benitez. Right? You look now, it's different. Tiesto featuring Justin Timberlake. Tiesto featuring Afrojack featuring Snoop Dogg. Bumaliktad. Electronic dance in Manila. Filipinos are party animals, by the way. We are party animals. Ati-atihan, pare, di ba? Tug, 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 tug. Ay, luma na yan, chong. Mga ancestors natin yan. What do they do, di ba? Just party, street party, pare. We're party animals. Ako naman, nasanay ako, like, we go to the studio, we record, we just write there. Like, my rappers just right there on my beat. Nahasa ako doon. Like Rain on Me, I wrote that for 20 minutes. And in a melody, another 15 minutes on a grocery in the States. So, parang I had a rough training on hip-hop, especially on producing. You just have a small sampler to get the best out of it with your small equipment. I started with one sampler and one keyboard. I have to make the best out of it. Make it sound like it's a big ass studio, but it's not. With all these visual helps and everything, tas madali na siya. Thank you for the technology. Thank you for the electronica world. It made our work easier. So much easy now. Like the DJs now are different. Worldwide. You have to have your own track. Not remix, but a track you produce. Then you'll make it. If you don't have an original track, diba? You're just a DJ. Which I'm so blessed because I write, I play all types of instruments lahat Sira lang ako sa wind.